Say hi. See there? Who's that? Kylie and Mommy. Say hi. Hi. Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in. So today I will be chatting to you guys about hair. Also just ways in which you can grow your hair. I see there's a lot of videos and a lot of information out there. First of all, I do think it has a lot to do with genetics. So my hair's always been long. People always ask me, how do you grow your hair so long? Like it's in your genes. There are, however, things that you can do to make your hair healthy and grow better. Because if you don't take care of the hair that you have, it won't grow. So there are tips and things that you can do to make your hair grow healthier, and healthy hair does grow. So if your hair is not in a healthy state, it won't be growing. So if you're stuck and your hair is not growing, it could be that you're not eating right, that you're not taking vitamin supplements. So that's already 2 points. So eating healthy, avocado is really healthy, has a lot of healthy fats. Even egg has lots of protein, very good for you. You can also take a vitamin supplement. Also, washing your hair too frequently. I think you guys must have heard that shampooing your hair every day is not good. It strips your hair of natural oils. So I only use sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner because sulfate is basically a form of salt, and it also strips oils and things. So I have quite dry hair and I don't need something that strips me of natural oils. So I don't wash my hair every day. And that hair, the oils that people so often don't like, you actually need to distribute that oil because those oils help your hair to grow and it nourishes your hair as well. So it gives it a healthier shine. And if you keep stripping that oil, if you wash it every day, how will your hair get healthy, you know? So these are things people don't really like to hear. They don't like to talk about it, but it is true. Also, myself, I just washed it. I didn't put anything on after I washed it. As you can see, it's not curly, but it's not straight either. It's usually like a kind of a frizz, but I've been using the anti-frizz from okay, I'm not going to mention brands in this video, but it's a very hydrating shampoo and conditioner, and it's sulfate free. It's quite pricey here in South Africa, but it's really worth the while. I need that because it works for me. So my hair is quite healthy right now and it's nice and full. And also drink a lot of water, because when you are dehydrated, your body will not produce enough oils as well. So those oils that people often think, oh, my hair is dirty, it's actually not dirt. Like, how can your hair be dirty the very next day? It's not the case. Those oils need to be distributed. So you need to thoroughly brush your hair through. Brush those oils through your hair. And I would say at least every 3rd day you can wash your hair. But you need to give time for that oils to build up and actually comb it through, get it to distribute through your hair, because that is what actually feeds your hair. You can add as many products as you want, but if you keep stripping that oil, nothing's gonna happen. Another tip would be to trim your hair regularly. Contrary to what people think, I know a lot of people have said that trimming your hair does not add to the growth. Technically it doesn't, because your hair grows in any case. You just don't see it if there's breakage. So if you have a lot of split ends or breakage toward the ends and your ends are thin and frayed, you won't notice the length, you won't notice the growth, because it might break off before it grows. So if you trim it regularly and keep, it doesn't have to be a straight line necessarily, but if you keep those ends healthy, you will definitely be able to measure the growth. You will see that your hair is growing. So I obviously don't have any makeup on. I just put some moisturizer on this morning because I want to do my hair, or like style it as well. What I do a lot of the times, I wash it and I let it dry. So this would like be my look, and I'll just like tie it up there. I would like to make this video about doing my hair as well. I want to show you guys, because I get a lot of questions as to, do you do your own hair? Do you go to a hair salon, a hairdresser? And I actually do my own hair. So I want to not just make this video about hair growth, but I want to show you guys how I manage to do my hair. And please, you'll need to bear with me because it does take some time. And I have a little one. She is quite busy at the moment. She's 1.5 years, so she's moving on to those 30 years. And she's all over the place, so I kind of need to pause my videos as I go along, just to like get the quiet moments, and I need to redo it. It takes me quite long to do a video. so I'm not really able to do one as often as I'd like. This is my little munchkin. Say hi. So yeah, she keeps me busy, but I'm gonna attempt to do my hair for you guys so that you guys can see how exactly I do it at this length, because a lot of people think that you're not able to do it, but it's quite easy. I don't do just quickly to mention, sorry, I do use keratin products. I don't go to the hair salon to have keratin treatments done though. However, the products I use, as I mentioned, is sulfate free, so I would advise that you get something that's sulfate free. If you can get something that's natural, you can do so. I prefer to get things that's hydrating with keratin in as well, because she's watching me. She's like, Mom, you're talking such a lot. So because my hair is dry, but obviously you guys need to get products that is suitable for your type of hair. So if you have oily hair, then you need to get something that will, for oily basically, or normal hair. Myself, I have dry hair. If you have dry damaged hair, you can get products as well. Like I said, I won't be mentioning any brands in the video because this is not to promote any brands, it's about growing your hair. I'll be attempting to do my hair on camera, to style my hair on camera today, so keep on watching this video. Hair is still damp, I apply a heat protectant, especially when I intend on styling or straightening my hair. So I've just applied that. So I'll start straightening. Okay guys, so this is the final product. So basically I do my hair the same as anyone else. I part it, I make different sections, I make parts, and I just flat iron, let it air dry and then flat iron it. So I'll just get a further view. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and be sure to check me out in the next video. Bye!